Okay, what's up, viewers? Or, yeah, subscribers or people. I am right now. Okay, so if you guys see up there, I'm still trying to get it better. Okay, so we keep the cycles up there, and my old bike was up there, but we got it down here. There we go. My hand shakes so much. I've been trying really hard to get the back wheel off, so I am a little tired. But, oh gosh, okay, that's a lot of shaking. Right there. So I am gonna do a bike giveaway for those who don't have BMX bikes and are really wanting to buy one. There we go. Are really wanting to buy one. And this is probably the perfect bike. It's a Walmart bike, but it's a Mongoose, and it's really lightweight. But for whatever bike you need and whatever size, we're still thinking of the price, so I'll probably tell you the price between next video. But before I forget, I am really sorry. I told my friends and people that I am gonna do a 4th of July special. Sadly, that can't be for today because we have guests over, and I'm doing this, and I'm working on I'm working outside, or doing stunts outside, so I can do a BMX edit on my cycle over there, Kink BMX, for a budget that was for the cycle. Why do I keep pointing back? For the cycle people that were around here, the cycle shop, cycle people. Okay, the cycle shop that was around here was sponsored or put by Kink BMX. So I only had to pay about $600, and then they would get it fixed up instead of paying $800, because I think it's $200 for them building. Well, that's what I saw on a website. So yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me breaking this bike down and fixing it and everything. So I hope you'll enjoy. And yeah, I'll switch it over and we'll be back.
Turn down for what? 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 Bob it loud, another round of shots. Bob it loud, another round of shots. Bob it loud, another round of shots. Turn down for what? Turn
nut in WD-40, so hopefully that holds and does all that. But for now, it looks like a huge just mess, and hopefully we'll get that cleaned up and get ready for riding. Now, we probably would do shipping in Texas. If you're out of Texas or somewhere else, maybe you have to come somewhere all the way here and probably put it in your trunk for 3 or 4 days. And it's just to be safe. I have no clue, but I know I don't have the virus. Luckily, yay, I am one of those guys. So, count how many bikes we have. 1 bike, 2 bike, a scooter. I'm trying to find my skateboard. Trying to find my penny board. Okay, so we have 1 bike. We have the second bike in the background. We have a golden scooter down there, down there. We have another scooter up there. We have this bike, and we have that. It's always this one light that keeps bothering me. That bike up there, and I don't know where my skateboard is. Okay, that might be a problem. My hands are shaking a little because of how much force I put into that. But it's a really good bike. I would recommend it. And no, it's not just saying because I rode it, but for how much I'm growing up, I need a 20.1 inch and have that feel of having a bigger bike, because that one feels really small to me. It's like if you're under the age of about 10 or something, imagine riding like a preschooler's bike, and yeah, that's how it feels. But yeah, so we'll re-grease this bike. Me and my dad will guess how much we should sell it for, and we'll tell you guys. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the 4th of July fireworks. So I'll be back. Okay, hope you enjoyed that 4th of July special. That was cool. Subscribe, ring that notification bell, and as you can see, I am very happy. And plus, I'm gonna sell my BMX bike. But for now, peace.